Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to schedule TikTok posts. First, navigate to the TikTok app on your iPhone. Here, tap on the profile shown at the bottom right corner. Next, hit the plus icon in the center and record your video. On the right side, tap on the gear icon to reach the settings. After that, you can adjust the settings of your post and tap on Next. Now, you will see the draft option and add your video to the draft. Following that, go to the browser and search for TikTok.com. On the left side, tap on the profile icon and continue with the Apple account. After that, reach the TikTok Studio and add any video from your files. Next, click on See More and you will find the When to Post option. Mark the Schedule option and allow the scheduling of the post. Then, add the date and time and hit the Schedule button. In this way, you'll be able to schedule TikTok posts. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.